Next, figure of merit of the Gauss meter. It is defined as the current which produces a deflection of one scale division in the Gauss meter. When you pass the current through the Gauss meter, which produces the deflection of one scale division in the Gauss meter. Next is sensitivity. What is the meaning of sensitivity of the Gauss meter? Even though when you pass a small current or small voltage is applied across it, the Gauss meter produces the large scale deflection. Then only we can say Gauss meter is sensitive. There are two types of sensitivity. One is a voltage sensitivity and a current sensitivity. First of all, current sensitivity. Current sensitivity is nothing but a deflection produced per unit current flowing through it. Deflection produced per unit current flowing through it. It is called as a current sensitivity. So I is equal to theta by I. Next we substitute the I value. I is equal to K by NAB into theta. It can be right NAB into theta by K theta. Theta get cancelled. So we can write IS is equal to NAB by K. NAB by K. It is nothing but a reciprocal of the current reduction factor of the Gauss meter G. So it can write 1 by G. It can write 1 by G. So IS is equal to 1 by G. IS is equal to 1 by G. Next, how will you increase current sensitivity of the Gauss meter? By increasing the number of turns, by increasing the area of the coil, by increasing the magnetic induction, at the same time by decreasing the couple per unit twist of the suspension wire. By decreasing the couple per unit twist of the suspension wire. Okay, by this process we can increase the current sensitivity. Okay, and another one important fact, in the Gauss meter, we are in the moving coil Gauss meter, we are using phosphor bronze wire because it having the couple per unit twist is very small. Couple per unit twist is very small. So only we are using the phosphor bronze wire. Okay. Next, voltage sensitivity. Voltage sensitivity is nothing but a deflection produced per unit voltage applied across it. Deflection produced per unit voltage applied across it. It is the voltage sensitivity. Gauss meter voltage V is equal to I into Rg. So we can write theta by I into Rg. Theta by I into Rg. So next substitute the value of I, theta by K by NAB into theta into Rg. It can be right theta by K NAB by theta into Rg. Theta get cancelled. It can be right NAB by K into Rg. This will be replaced by reciprocal of the reduction factor, current reduction factor. So 1 by G into Rg. This 1 by G is nothing but a current sensitivity IS. So it can be right IS by Rg. IS by Rg. So voltage sensitivity Vs is equal to IS by Rg. IS by Rg, where Rg is nothing but a resistance of the Gauss meter. Resistance of the Gauss meter. Okay. So in the current sensitivity Is is equal to 1 by G. The voltage sensitivity Vs is equal to Is by Rg. Current sensitivity is nothing but a deflection produced per unit current passing through it. Voltage sensitivity is nothing but a deflection produced per unit voltage applied across it. Okay, there is a current sensitivity and voltage sensitivity. That's all.